Welcome to Cupido Rules, where we dive deep into the raw, unfiltered truths about love and relationships. Today, we're revealing 5 controversial yet highly effective romantic ideas that will shock your partner and reignite the passion in your relationship. Prepare to challenge the norms and take your love life to the next level. Break the rules. Forget what you know about romance. Tailor your surprises to your partner's deepest desires, even if it goes against conventional wisdom. Love sports but your partner hates them? Think outside the box and cater exclusively to their passions. Go all out or go home. Thoughtfulness is key, but so is intensity. Turn a simple dinner into an unforgettable experience with extravagant preparation. From cooking a gourmet meal together to setting the scene with sensual music, make sure every detail screams romance. Purposeful provocation. Challenge your relationship by diving into meaningful and sometimes provocative activities. Volunteer together for a cause that stirs emotions or take on a project that pushes boundaries. Shared intense experiences can create an unbreakable bond. Unplug to unleash passion. In a world addicted to screens, daring to disconnect can be revolutionary. Turn off all devices and focus solely on each other. This undivided attention can lead to conversations and connections more passionate than you ever thought possible. Fearless together. Break free from comfort zones and face fears head-on. Whether it's trying an extreme sport or tackling a taboo topic, these shared adventures can strengthen your bond and keep the spark alive. Dare to be bold together. Romance isn't about playing it safe. It's about daring to truly understand and meet your partner's needs in ways that defy expectations. Are you ready to take your relationship to the next level? If these ideas blew your mind, smash that like button and share your own outrageous romantic ideas in the comments below. Let's build a community that dares to love fiercely and authentically. Subscribe to Cupido Rules for more no-holds-barred love advice. See you in the next video.